Imagine sailing across a vast ocean, heading further and further away from land. At some point, you'd reach a place where the gentle waves of the sea meet the vast, chaotic waters of the open ocean. In our solar system, there's a similar boundary where our sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. This boundary is called the heliopause. But what exactly is the heliopause, and why is it so important? Let's find out together. Firstly, we need to understand what the solar wind is. Just like you blow air out to turn off a candle, the sun blows out a stream of particles called the solar wind. This invisible wind is made of tiny particles mostly composed of electrons and protons, and it travels at amazing speeds through space. Imagine it as the sun's breath, stretching far and wide across our solar system. These solar winds create a protective bubble around our entire solar system, known as the heliosphere. The heliosphere is like an invisible sphere-shaped shield that keeps us safe from even more harmful cosmic rays coming from outer space. But eventually, as this solar wind travels further and further away from the sun, it begins to slow down and weaken. Finally, it reaches a place where it is no longer strong enough to push back against the winds coming from other stars, the interstellar wind. This exact spot is what we call the heliopause. The heliopause marks the edge of our solar system's influence and the beginning of interstellar space. Even the spacecraft Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which were launched by NASA in the 1970s, have traveled past this boundary and are now drifting in interstellar space. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember there's a boundary out there, over 10 billion miles away, where the sun stops and the rest of the galaxy begins.